Members of the Congress Legislature Party held a press conference on the afternoon of 20th January 2022 to stress on the role of the Indian National Congress through the 50 years of statehood of Meghalaya. Congress Legislature Party leader Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh informed about the efforts of late Prime Minister Indira Gandhi in helping Meghalaya attain statehood, wherein it was carved out of the erstwhile state of undivided Assam in 1972.
It is but correct for the Indian National Congress to celebrate the Golden Jubilee celebration of the state of Meghalaya, because as we remember clearly, it was with the cooperation and blessings of late Indira Gandhi ji that the state of Meghalaya came into existence in 1972. The slogan of the then statehood movement was rare and unique, where the people of Meghalaya fought the non-violent way in order to protest and to demand for the state befitting for the people of the state of Meghalaya.
Ampareen Lyngdoh, while recalling the contribution by various Congress chief ministers of the state, said that each of them had played an important role in bringing about 35 years and 17 months of good governance to the state of Meghalaya.
We have had so many chief ministers who have built brick by brick the state to what you see it today. To name a few, the founder chief minister, late Williamson A. Sangma, he was there in the helm of affairs for a good number of years, and it was through his initiation that several development programs and projects were delivered and brought to the people of the state of Meghalaya. We cannot also forget the contributions of late P.A. Sangma, the contributions of Ba D.D. Lapang, the contributions of Ba S.C. Marak, Ba J.D. Rimbai, Dr. Mukul Sangma. These are all leaders of the Indian National Congress. And in all of the 50 years of the existence of the state of Meghalaya, 35 years, 317 days of good governance was delivered to the people of the state of Meghalaya through the Indian National Congress.
The CLP leader had also talked about the various projects initiated by the Indian National Congress in Meghalaya, some of which include the setting up of the Northeastern Council headquarters in Shillong, the establishment of the Northeastern Hill University campus in the city, the initiation of the Northeast Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences, and others.
Some of the big institutions that need to be mentioned at the juncture before we celebrate our 50 years of statehood is the setting up of the NEC headquarters in Shillong, the setting up of the Northeastern Hill University campus in Shillong, the initiation of the Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences, or NEGRIMS, in Shillong. The leaders of the Congress party also ensured that Meghalaya was able to further build on the first ever power project at Sonapani in those years.
On behalf of the Congress Party, Dr. M. Ampareen Lyngdoh also took the opportunity to wish all citizens of the state a joyous and meaningful Golden Jubilee celebration of Meghalaya's statehood.
On behalf of the Congress Party, on behalf of the CLP, on behalf of the PP, of the district councils in the state, I wish the people of the state of Meghalaya a peaceful, a joyous, and a very fruitful statehood celebration against all odds, despite the pandemics and the applied SOPs. Please celebrate in your homes. Please burn one candle for your state on this day so that we may all remember that Meghalaya will shine and continue to shine. Thank you.